Hello, I wanted to show you something I made you for class. I've created a book for you. Right? And each of my classes, Geometry, Algebra 2, and AP Calculus, has a book, and there's one for each quarter. And this book has some cool features. First, there's a cover, and that cover has notes specific to the first quarter. Right? So each quarter, the notes will be specific to the quarter. So here for the geometry book, it has all the topics for geometry. We've got definitions and constructions and parallel and perpendicular lines and transformations and area and perimeter and angle relationships. And so there's some quick handy notes that are right on this front cover. So for instance, if you forget the formula for the area of a triangle, well, you can look it up because it's right there. Okay. Likewise, the Algebra 2 book has notes. This one has double-sided. I had so much I wanted to include. Notes on the front cover that you can use. Topics for the first quarter for Algebra 2 are solving quadratic equations, graphing quadratic equations, solving polynomial equations, and graphing polynomial equations. And then when you turn the cover, there's a chapter page. And the chapter page has notes just specific to that topic. So here you can see the first topic for Algebra 2 is factoring quadratic equations. First topic for geometry is definitions. And there's lots of good helpful notes there that you can use. Okay? And then when you turn the page, there is your notes, the place for you to take notes. Right? So sometimes it may be a table to fill out. Sometimes a lot of the notes have already been given for you. So here I have all the written notes so that you don't have to write the steps for completing constructions. And then you've got space to do those constructions. And sometimes it's a fill-in. You fill in the blanks. But this makes taking notes so much easier because a lot of it's already been written out for you, right? And then you're just writing in some of the important information, right? And the same thing with Algebra 2's book. It has fill-ins. They have some spaces. We can get to graph equations. There we go. Right? But a lot of it's been filled out for you. And then when you turn the note page, you find your homework, right? So it's right there in your book, right next to your notes. Won't lose it. You don't have to go look for it. You don't have to print it out. It's all been taken care of for you, right? So along with Schoology, this is everything you need. For Algebra 2, Geometry, and AP Calculus, you won't have to worry about printing stuff out. Everything's been taken care for you, all bound, all nice and neat. And I hope that makes staying organized in your math classes a lot easier. Thanks for watching.